Yo, what's up guys? How's it going? Welcome to reaction time, and today one of you guys suggested a really cool video. Basically, it's just test our ears. We're gonna see how well we can hear sound. So I think this video goes in like stages. It starts off really easy and gets really hard. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory to show us, and I'm excited because honestly, I don't think I can hear very well from my right ear, but hopefully I'm wrong. So yeah, let's just see what this video is all about. Let's do this. All right, how good is your hearing? Let's test it out. All right, I'm going to play 3 different quiet sounds, and we'll see how many of them you can hear. All right, this is so easy. 80% can hear the first, 40% can hear the second, 20% can hear the third. Turn up your speakers 90% of the way. All right. Okay, first sound. Let's hear it. It's a rooster. I hear a rooster. It was a rooster. All right, I got the first one. Now I'll play the second sound. Is it a... It was a crowd applaud. Now I'll play the third sound. No. Oh, no. That wasn't supposed to be it. No, make it stop. Make it stop. Turn this thing off. Oh my god. Turn it off. Whoever suggested me this video, I hate you so much. Don't even come back to this channel anymore. Dude, my parents are in the room right there. Now I gotta go talk to them. Let's go.